The most common problem with iPads is a cracked screen. The most common solution is getting it repaired with us. This is an iPad 7. We're removing the screen on this iPad, and we're gonna replace it with a brand new one. It takes us about 24 hours to repair. We do it here in the kiosk, so you can watch us work. Now, if you go to Apple, they actually will not repair your iPad. They will replace it for you. So go to them first, see what the cost is, and you will notice it's a little bit expensive. Unfortunately, you will lose all your information and saved games, so repairing it is the most cost-effective and easiest solution. Let me show you how it's done. This is a teenager's iPad here, and they broke it when playing a video game, and we're gonna fix it for them. Alex is now going to change the digitizer or the glass of the iPad, and that controls the touch sensitivity, which is exactly what we do guarantee for you when we repair your device. Alex is going to meticulously remove all the glass from the iPad. We use the highest quality glass that is available to us for you and your iPad. Now you can go somewhere else and get a cheaper iPad repair, but the glass is not the same. We spend extra money and do the job right and properly, so once we fix your iPad, it's working for years to come. After we replace the digitizer or the glass, then we have to seal it down to make sure it's a perfect and smooth fit. We warranty all of our devices and all of our repairs. We say 100 days, we're very lenient with that. Once it's repaired, it should work for years to come. And remember, the customer hasn't even paid yet. We did the repair for them, we're testing it out thoroughly, making sure it's perfect, which it is, and then we'll give them a call, they'll come on in, pay after, and they're good to go. Pretty painless, pretty easy. Definitely cost effective and worth it. So stop on by and let us help you with your iPad solutions.